Namaskar. What is the difference between Vilambit, Madhya and Drut and Barabar, Dugun and Chaugun? Well, these are two different ways of understanding Laya. Laya can be divided into two different aspects just for the sake of understanding. Let's go with Vilambit, Madhya and Drut. Vilambit is the slow, Madhya is the medium, and Drut is the fast Laya. The speed goes higher. Similarly, Egun is when you have one beat to one bowl, Dugun, one beat and two bowls, Chaugun is one beat and four bowls. Let's just add a few, the missing one 3 here, so that means one beat and 3 bowl will be Tigun, one beat and 5 bowl will be Pachgun, one beat to 6 bowl will be Chaugun, so on and so forth. Now, what is the difference between the two? When we talk about Vilambit, Madhya and Drut, we are taking a generic speed. A general speed, when we say Vilambit, it's going to be slow. Therefore, my Vilambit can be slightly different in terms of speed to your Vilambit. But my Vilambit cannot be your Madhya, or your Madhya cannot be my Drut. So there has to be a slight difference, which is okay. But if it is too much, then it's not okay. So what we ideally do is Vilambit, double of Vilambit is Madhya, double of Madhya is Drut. The pyramid stands in a triangle. Sometimes the Madhya may not be exactly the double of Vilambit. Then again, in your own Laya pattern, there can be a slight difference and it will still be granted. But when we are talking about Egun Dugun Tigun Chaugun, Pachgun Chaugun and other Kram Laya, then it's absolutely clear. It's almost an arithmetical approach. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, so on and so forth. That is the basic difference. The meter or the unit will not change when you talk about Kram Laya, Egun Dugun Tigun Chaugun. But the meter here is a little bit flexible. That I feel is the major difference, because this particular one, which is Vilambit, Madhya and Drut, is based on the Sangeetik concept, the concept of musicology. Whereas this segment where we are talking about Egun Dugun Tigun Chaugun is more arithmetical. It's more structured, fixed and frozen. Thank you.